Hi, this is Shannon from SIS4Teachers.org. Thanks so much for joining us in our tutorial video on how to help you at home to be able to create a math-friendly home with your littles. We know that we get a lot of information about reading and about oral language in the house, but it's also really important to know that mathematical thinking is really all around us. Oftentimes, it's promoting conversations with your child that will help them realize that there is different things in each room of your house. In this series, we're taking families on a tour of our home, and today we have our look at what is going on in the yard. We want to be able to talk about today how we can make math come alive outside. Whether it is summer, winter, fall, or spring, there's always great times that you can go outside to do lots of things that are mathematically intriguing. One thing is counting steps. We talk about students having something called kinesthetic one-to-one correspondence. So you want your child to walk maybe from the front yard all the way to the backyard and count how many steps it takes to get from one place to another. Maybe you have a patio in the back of your yard and you want to see how many steps it might take to go the longer way versus the shorter way. Getting students to correspond their steps with counting is actually an early numeracy skill that will help students as they get this under development before they start to learn one-to-one correspondence with actual objects. Another quick idea is collections. Maybe going on a walk or even in your yard, you could collect leaves, rocks, sticks, any kind of things they might want to put into a bucket as they're walking. When you get back to maybe your patio or your porch, you can dump all the things out of the bucket. At first, students might want to, sort things by leaves and then by rocks or by sticks, but have them try to think about different things. Could we put into a pile things that are soft versus hard? Maybe something that is thick versus thin. You can use different ways of sorting things even by sizes to help your child to discover different ways of sorting. Skipping is by far one of those things that really helps build rhythmic understanding of patterns and really helps for math readiness. Skipping is something that can be taught as you go for a walk around the block. You can walk and hop on one leg and walk on hop. We want to continue to have this, sort of bilateral motion going for kids because it will help to get their brain ready for learning math. We always know that we don't need to buy all the toys we have because a cardboard box could do lots of things. If you have a variety of different cardboard boxes, maybe in your garage that you can put together and have those out in the yard for kids to play with, maybe you have boxes of different sizes. It's really great for kids to crawl through these to learn about their body in space. Our last idea for our 5 quick tips is to talk about how you could use sidewalk chalk or even use a rock to draw different things on the sidewalk. Try to encourage your child, maybe draw shapes. Maybe you draw a shape and they trace your shape. You could do squiggle lines versus straight lines. Have your child lay on their belly while they do it to help kind of build that core strength while they're learning to cross their midline while doing some different activities. We hope that you found our video tutorial for how to bring a math-friendly home into your house. We have lots of other segments to our series which will take you on a tour of your home to help you know that mathematical thinking is all around us. We hope that you'll connect with us on our YouTube video, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at SIS4Teachers. Or you can also go to our website, SIS4Teachers.org, and you can subscribe. Thanks so much for joining us. Feel free to share on our social media pages fun things that you're doing with your littles at home.